So what's up, you lovely bunch? I thought it was about time I gave you a closer look at Jenson, our bonkers 1293 110 brake horsepower turbo mini. Yes, turbo beast. It's got straight cut gears, it's got all of the expected modifications that one would expect on such a performance fast road stroke track toy. It's got the all important 10-inch wheel conversion. Look at how it sits. Sounds absolutely wild. And if you obviously head over to the website www.UKMinis.co.uk, you can read the full spec. But this car is super lightweight, so it's got all perspex windows, fibreglass front end, fibreglass boot, no interior basically, just 2 seats, recently painted and finished in Yukon grey. The one piece front end comes off totally, which I will show you in a second. It also has a removable carbon fibre wrapped bonnet. It's got the Mark 1 grille, and then obviously black Group 2 arches, black mirrors, and a contrasting black roof. Look at the colour of this car, Yukon grey. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. It's got the John Brown 10-inch mini light style wheels, all wrapped in Falcon FK 07Es, so decent set of sort of, obviously a very good set of road tyres, but also decent for track. I will pop these off as I'm going around. Just drop that right. Let's rest on my leg. So this is obviously weighs absolutely zero. Fuel tanks, fuel cells are just a work of art. I absolutely love these. And interestingly, with this one, is the owner and builder decided to use the original filler neck, which is quite nice. It's a bit unusual. I don't normally see that. I don't normally see them myself. Pop those back on after. Not glass, perspex. Obviously we step in to what can only be described as a fully stripped out interior. You've got your 6-point bolt in, and it's actually been welded in as well. Safety devices cage with an Alcantara roof, painted in red to match the TRS. Show you down the back if I can get my camera for it. So that's your harness bar, internally mounted battery, your Alcantara roof, carbon door, the carbon fibre door cards. I do have these for people who know minis. Those drop off quite frequently when the doors are being boshed around. And then obviously your Sparco full FI approved bucket seats with 4-point harnesses. It's got a custom dash, so I'll just sort of fall into the car. So it's got a custom aluminium dash with access to all of the fuses, as in true sort of rally style. And you do have this extra instrument cluster here, which gives us obviously water temperature, oil pressure, and turbo boost. Yep, turbo boost. This is running low PSI at the moment. Obviously there's plenty more in it. It's got a mappable ECU. I'll have to tell you exactly which one it is, but it's up behind there. Instrument cluster. These are really, really nice. A couple of our cars have had this particular one on it. They're really, really nicely made. Feel absolutely fantastic quality. Yeah, what else? Recently tuned by, I've forgotten their names, Airey tuning I think it is, in Berkshire. So rolling road setup. Obviously you've got all your road legal stuff, your hazard lights and your choke. And then obviously got a power cut-off switch, which is good for two things. Very good for security, because that can be removed, which means the car can't be started. And then very good. Fuel pump obviously kicks in. This is a cold start, so no choke. I'll just give it a little bit of a rev. If my camera decides to focus, there we go. Obviously this has various different modes on it, showing various different information. Your speedo, temperature, water temperature, so it's nice and cold. Last trip, I can't read what that says. Hours of running, that's your actual revs, and then temperatures, fuel gauge. Battery light is on because it's warming up, so we'll give it a second and then we'll get straight into turbo. It's obviously cold, so we won't go too mad. And I shall also show you under the bonnet. Bear me 2 seconds, because this is a little bit difficult to do with one hand. Just pop it down over there. And this work of art is what Jenson is about. Look at that. What an awesome setup this is. This thing is absolutely wild. It goes like a rocket ship. I will do some driving videos. Later on today. The wet road's still a bit damp from this morning, so I don't particularly want to ruin it as such. So yeah, this is a Richard Walker built 1293, so it's a 1275 Metro turbo engine that's been bored to 1293. It's got all your normal rattly cams. It's got forged pistons and conrods. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about it really. It's got stage 4 head on it. As you can see, somebody's spent an awful lot of time and effort and money getting this ready, and recently rolling ready tuned by Airey tuning to 110 brake horsepower. Like I said, there's plenty more in it if you so desired, but to be fair, that is reliable and also enough, to be totally honest with you. What else do you say about this car really, to be fair? Obviously this is a one-piece fiberglass front end, which fits really, really nicely. Sometimes these can be a little bit sort of wayward. As you can see, it sits really, really lovely. I would take it off, but it means I have to take the arches off as well, so I'm not going to bother messing around with that today. But yeah, there is For all those in the know. What else do we say? Oh, one thing to mention that I haven't mentioned internally is the steering wheel. So it's Alcantara clad with the 12 o'clock marker. Obviously you'll see there's no carpets or anything in. You could, if you really felt the need. Look at these seats. This basically is absolute perfection. On the similar level to Ralph, and I'm trying to think what else we've done. Buster, that was a turbo, properly set up for track. Obviously fully adjustable everything suspension wise. Yeah, what else do you say? 1,293 tickets as always. This is number 42, so somebody's about to win our 42nd Mini. This is a guaranteed draw on Sunday the 25th at 8 p.m. So yeah, head over to www.ukminis.co.uk to get involved. Get your tickets. They're $14.99 at current. At 80% they will go up to $17.49 for the last 20%. And as always, our competitions have been selling out recently, so this is an absolutely wonderful opportunity to win a super fast, insane, bonkers, mega, beautifully put together Mini. So head over to the website www.ukminis.co.uk, get involved, and I shall do a driving video later on. Good luck everyone.